Hey guys, this is Shuman from ASA Technical. Today I am going to show you how to fix audio problems in Windows 10 April 2018 update. Several users have reported that there are some apps, devices, some program and features is no longer working after upgrading to the Windows 10 April 2018 update or on Windows 10 build 1803. One of them is audio or sound problem, which happened in my case. If that's the case for you, don't worry about it. By following this instruction in this video, you can easily get the solution of this audio or sound problem. Well, let's get started. At first, you must make sure that your Windows 10 is updated. If not updated by following me, at first run on Windows Update and confirm as you can see. At first, let's start with the easy method. Alright, go to Control Panel. Next go to Device Manager. Next click on Scan for hardware changes. Next expand the sound, video and game controllers directory. Next select the Microsoft generic sound driver. Next click on Update device driver. Next click on Search automatically for updated driver software. Then you should see downloading the necessary device driver software. Be patient for a while, do nothing until Windows has successfully updated your drivers. If you are lucky, then this simple method may solve your problem. After completing the process, as you can see, status shows that Windows have successfully updated your drivers. Now let's go to the second method. At first, find out the manufacturer information of your PC's audio hardware component. As you can see, my PC has Realtek's audio hardware component. Alright, once you found the manufacturer information of your PC's audio hardware component, then download the latest and certain audio driver software for your device from manufacturer website by googling. If your PC has Realtek's audio hardware component, then just follow me to downloading the certain device driver software from manufacturer website as you can see. Next click on HD Audio Code Driver. Next, check this box and then next. Next, you have to download audio driver software according to your PC system for 64 bits or 32 bits. Next, click on Global to download the executable file as you can see. After downloading, next double click on executable file to install device driver software as you can see. Now you have to restart your computer. If you are lucky, after rebooting, hopefully your problem will be solved. If this second method is not working for you, then insert the driver's installation CD, DVD or USB flash drive which that was given to you when you bought your laptop. Then right click on the optical drive or USB flash drive and click on open. Now find out drivers folder. Once you found the drivers folder, then just open it. Now find out the audio codec drivers folder. Once you found, then just open it. After that, find out the setup.exe file as you can see. Next, just double click on it to install audio driver software. Now just follow the instruction on your PC screen to install the driver software. Now you have to restart your computer. If you are lucky, after rebooting, hopefully your problem will be solved. Now let's go to the advanced method, which that surely help you to solve your problem. At first, insert the driver's installation CD, DVD or USB flash drive which that was given to you when you bought your laptop. Then right click on the optical drive or USB flash drive and click on open. Now find out drivers folder. Once you found the drivers folder, then just open it. Now find out the audio codec drivers folder. Once you found, then just open it. Next find out Win32 or Win64 folder as you can see. Once you found this, then open the folder according to your PC system, 64 bits or 32 bits. I just opened Win64 folder according to my PC system. Next just copy the full path of this file or folder as you can see. Next go to Control Panel. Next click on Device Manager. Next click on Scan for hardware changes. Next right click on your PC's default audio driver. Then click on Update Driver. Then click on Browse My Computer for driver software. Then select the option Let me pick from a list of device drivers on my computer. Alright, then click on Have Disk. Next paste here the full path of those file or folder which was copied as you can see. Next click on OK. Next select the manufacturer and model of your hardware device. Then click on Next. Now as you can see, status shows that installing device driver software. Be patient for a while, do nothing. After completing the process, as you can see, status shows that Windows have successfully updated your drivers. Then click on Close. Then click on Scan for hardware changes. Now close all other tabs. Now you have to restart your computer. After rebooting, hopefully your problem will be solved. We hope you will like. Of course, let us know your opinion. If you have any questions, then please let us know. Please like, comment, share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.